Hello everyone, I am Prashant Vishwanath Dhanshetty, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering from Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Today I am here to explain you about the bolted connections in steel structure. The learning outcome of today's lecture is that the students will be able to understand the terminologies used in bolted connection, then IS 800 2007 specifications for spacing and edge distance of the bolt holes. So, what is bolted connection or what is connection? Or connection elements consist of the components such as clits, gusset plates, brackets, connecting plates, and the connectors are rivets, bolts, pins, and welds. The connection in a structure shall be so designed that it should be consistent with the assumption made in the analysis of the structure and comply with the requirements. Bolted connection. A bolt, see, this is a bolt, is a metal pin with an head formed at one end and the shank and thread at the other end to receive the nut. Bolts are used for joining together pieces of metals by inserting them through the holes in the metal and tightening them. Bolts are classified as unfinished black bolts, finished turned bolts, then high strength friction grip bolts. So, unfinished black bolts are manufactured as per IS 1364 part 1. So, these bolts are made up of mild steel with a square or hexagonal head. The shank is left unfinished, rough as rolled. The bolts are designated as M16, M20 or M24, where this 20-24 value represents the diameter of the bolt. The yield strength of commonly used black bolts is 240 Newton per mm square and ultimate strength is 400 Newton per mm square. For finished turn bolts, they are manufactured as per IS 3640. So these bolts are also used of mild steel, but they are formed from hexagonal rod which are finished by turning into a circular shape. The bolt holes are kept 1.5 mm larger than the nominal diameter of the bolt. What is yield strength and ultimate strength of commonly used bolts? So here pause the video and try to write answer on a paper. So the yield strength of commonly used black bolt is 240 Newton per mm square and ultimate strength of commonly used black bolt is 400 Newton per mm square. Now high strength friction grip bolts, these are manufactured as per IS 3747 specification. So these bolts are made from high strength steel rod. The surface of the shank is kept unfinished as that of the black bolts. The bolt tightened to a proof load using calibrated wrenches. They grip the members tightly. In addition, nuts are provided by using clamping device. Rivet holes or bolt holes. So these are made in the structural members to be connected by punching or by drilling. The size of the rivet or bolt holes are kept slightly more than that of the size of rivet or bolt. Nominal diameter of the bolt. Nominal diameter is that size of the bolt by which the bolt is identified. So here is the specification given by IS 800 2007 for the bolt hole. For the bolt having nominal diameter 12 to 14 mm, so the bolt hole should be kept 1 mm greater, and for the bolt having nominal diameter 16 to 22 mm, the bolt hole should be kept 2 mm more, and for larger than 24 mm bolt diameter, so it should be 3 mm more. So the terminologies used in this bolted connections are pitch of the bolt. So it is the center to center. So these are the bolts in a row. the center to center of spacing of the bolts in a row measured along the direction of this force is called a pitch. Gauge distance. So here these are the two rows of bolts. So the gauge distance is the distance between the two consecutive bolts in the adjacent row and is measured at right angle to the direction of the load. So that is the gauge distance. Edge distance. It is the distance of center of bolt hole from the adjacent edge of the plate. So here you can see this is the edge of the plate and the center of the hole, that is the edge distance. Whereas end distance is denoted by E dash. So it is the distance of the nearest bolt hole from the end of the plate. So here is the end of the plate and here it is the first hole. So this is the end distance. Staggered distance, it is the center to center distance of the staggered bolt measured oblique on the member. So here the bolts are not in same sequence, so they are staggered from one row to another. So this staggered pitch is called the staggered distance. So here you can see in plan how the bolts are arranged. So this is called a staggered arrangement and this is called the staggered pitch PS. Now the IS 800 specification for bolt holes. So pitch, it shall not be less than 2.5 times the diameter, where D is the nominal diameter of the bolt. Pitch shall not be more than. So in case of a tension member, so this is a tension member. So in case of tension member, the maximum pitch should be 16 times T or 200 mm, whichever is less. And in case of compression member, this is a compression member. So in case of compression member, pitch shall not be more than 12 times T or 200 mm, whichever is less. So in case of staggered pitch, this pitch distance may be increased by 50% of the values given above, provided that the gauge distance is less than 75 mm. Gauge distance. In case of butt joint, maximum pitch is to be restricted 4.5 times D for a distance of 1.5 times the width of the plate for butting surface. So for butting surface, the pitch should be restricted to 4.5 times D for a distance of 1.5 times the width of the plate. The gauge length should not be more than 100 plus 4 times T or 200 mm, whichever is less. So these are as per clause 10.2.2 and 10.2.3 of IS 800 2007 specification. So again, the edge distance as per IS 800 2007 specification and clause number 10.2.4, the minimum edge distance shall not be less than 1.7 times the diameter of hole in case of sheared or hand flame cut edges. So if this edge is hand flame cut or sheared, so this edge distance should not be less than 1.7 times bolt or hole diameter of the bolt, and it should not be less than 1.5 times hole diameter in case this edge is rolled, machine flame cut or plain. The maximum edge distance should not exceed 12 times T into epsilon, where epsilon is under root 250 divided by Fy and T is the thickness of thinner outer plate. And it should not exceed 40 plus 4 times T in case it is exposed to corrosive influence, and T is the thickness of thinner outer plate. Now specification for tacking fasteners as per IS 800 2007, clause 10.2.5. When the maximum distance between center of two adjacent fasteners is exceeded than the limit given or mentioned in IS 800, so tacking fasteners not subjected to the calculated stress should be provided. So if this distance is very much more, so to have a firm contact of the metals or two members, the tacking fastener should be provided. So the tacking fastener specification as per clause 10.2.5 of IS 800/2007, the tacking fastener not subjected to calculated stress should be provided at 32 times T or 300 mm, whichever is less, if the plate are not exposed to weather. And if the plates are exposed to weather, so that distance should be restricted to 16 times T or 200 mm. In case of member made up of two flats or angles or T's or channel, the tacking rivets are to be provided along the length of the length to connect its component as specified, not exceeding 1000 mm if the members are in tension and not exceeding 600 mm if the members are in compression. So these are the references which I have referred. Thank you very much.